In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to humanize ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever wished your chats felt a little warmer and more natural, this walkthrough is for you. We'll tune a few built-in settings and add clear guidance so your conversations flow more like they would with a real person. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official ChatGPT website. Log in to access your personal dashboard. You'll need to be signed in so your preferences are saved. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu. This is where all the personalization controls live, and any changes here will carry across your sessions. Inside Settings, find the personalization option. This section groups together features that shape how ChatGPT talks to you. Select Default Mode. This mode is designed to make interactions feel conversational and approachable. Smoothing phrasing, so replies read less like a technical document and more like a natural chat. You can always come back and adjust this later, but it's a strong baseline for a human-like style. Next, scroll down to the tone customization area to fine-tune how responses are phrased. Choose the casual tone. This setting encourages friendly wording, gentle transitions, and everyday language, which helps the AI mirror the rhythm of a relaxed conversation. Casual tone typically uses contractions, avoids stiff jargon, and adds small connective phrases that make answers easier to follow. To feel the difference right away, return to the main interface by clicking the ChatGPT logo at the top and start a new chat. Fresh conversations apply your latest settings from the first message. So this is the best place to judge how the tone lands. Ask something simple and compare it to how replies sounded before. You should notice a smoother, more personable flow. For deeper control, use the prompt engineering feature to give specific instructions that shape the dialogue structure. Clear guidance works wonders. You might say, please keep answers friendly and use everyday language, or offer one brief clarifying question if my request is unclear. The more precise you are about tone, pacing, and format, the more tailored and human-like the responses will feel. Treat this as an ongoing process. Review and update these instructions periodically as system improvements roll out, keeping what